Hi guys, welcome to this Rakesh channel here. So guys, major problem is called if you are first time you're watching this video, watch completely the video. You can understanding the complete section. So today I'm discuss about that. If you are creating any kind of website cpanel, you have to upload the file and download the files. In upload and download the files. So if you have a problem with the trash files, so how we can resolve the trash files on your particular cpanel? The simple one, login cpanel. In the right column, they can go to disk usage. You can click for disk usage. This is a major important key point. When you click the disk usage, they will be crawl in the option. They will be showing for trash files. Here is the trash files. Which is the trash files are here. Just select and delete. Is unnecessary files on your particular website. There's a recover your space and everything. So where we can go to disk usage, click, they can down, the option will be trash, will be given, and when you refresh previous in this much of there, now will be zero will be showing into the customers. So this will be compulsory remove on your particular website trash files. The unnecessary you will be avoid the data from in your website and space also will be recovered. Don't forget to this option to use to space will be recovered in a particular websites. If you still doubts, you can comment me in my channel. I definitely will be support. I will rectify your trash issue on your particular website. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.